Cure yourself from coughing and clean your lungs of phlegm with carrot, lemon and honey. It is known that the problems in the lungs are something very common nowadays. But in turn, millions are the cases of people who have benefited from having put aside medications and start using the natural. This is because there are many natural recipes that clean the lungs and are dedicated to eliminate phlegm. Having untimely cough is a very uncomfortable feeling. Wherever it is, the cough is very horrible. With the above said, today we have decided to bring you a recipe that will help you eliminate phlegm and cough as if it were a child's thing. If you follow the procedure to the letter, you will achieve all its benefits. It is very easy to prepare and also to relieve your feeling of having a straw in your throat. The star ingredient is carrot. This vegetable is rich in vitamin A, and is also an important source of vitamin C and B vitamins, as well as calcium, iron, potassium, sodium and phosphorus. All those vitamins not only alleviate, but also improve your cough, flu, and congested lungs, colds, phlegm, and discomfort in the throat. So the carrot, together with these other ingredients that we will tell you, will relieve you. It calms the cough and the cooled one of natural way. The only thing you need to prepare this powerful syrup in the comfort of your home, you will need carrots, lemon and honey, economic ingredients that you already have at home. And that will help us fight the most common symptoms of the flu and the cold in an effective and completely natural way. You will need 5 or 6 large carrots, 1 lemon squeezed juice, 4 or 5 tablespoons of honey. How to prepare? Peel 5 or 6 large carrots, cut them into several pieces and boil them in little water for a few minutes until they are soft. Let stand until the mixture is cold. Crush the carrots with a fork, add the juice of a lemon, and 4 or 5 tablespoons of honey. Move it well until the ingredients are integrated and store it refrigerated in a tightly closed glass container. How is it used? You will need to take 4 to 5 tablespoons a day of this syrup until the symptoms disappear completely. Why take this remedy? Apart from the mentioned benefits of fighting the symptoms of the flu and the cold, this simple homemade syrup will help us treat joint pain and inflammation, combat stress, calm nerves and anxiety. It will provide energy and relieves gastritis, heartburn and heartburn. The carrot is a vegetable that has many advantages in the diet of all people, regardless of their age. Besides being a rich food, it is one of the most valuable therapeutic resources to treat the ailments. The carrot is the most mineralizing and vitaminizing of all roots, is recommended for any class of patients, without any contraindication. Eating raw also has an excellent flavor, helps strengthen teeth and gums. It is very healthy also to eat it cooked, although not so much in this state for medicinal purposes. It is not recommended if you suffer from diabetes, due to its sugar content, or you are taking diuretic medication, as it could potentiate its effect. If you liked this article, share it with your friends and family. Do not forget to leave your opinion in comments. For more health advice, be sure to subscribe to our channel, and if you like the video, give us a thumbs up and don't forget to turn on the notification button to be notified of the new videos from us.